Hello 11th class, this is your chapter number 1, political theory. In the previous videos we have tried to understand the meaning of theory, the political theory, the nature, the scope, and what kind of subject matter do we study under political theory. Now today in this particular video, let us discuss about certain features. Features of what? Features of modern view. जो political theory का modern view है, let us try to understand that. आज का जो political theory है, जो modern political theory है, that has a broader scope. जो हमने स्कोप, जो एरिया हमने कल डिस्कस किया प्रीवियस वीडियो में, मॉडर्न थ्योरी इज लिटिल वाइडर, ब्रॉडर है एज इन कंपैरिजन. So it does not study only the formal structure of the government, but it also includes the political behavior, the voting behavior, or you can say the political socialization, political participation कैसा है, politically legislature पे क्या impact है, किस तरह से political legislature behavior vary करता है time to time, judicial behavior कैसे vary करता है time to time. So all the now the scope is broader, कोई limited नहीं है, it's broader. See the areas I told you: political voting behavior, political behavior, political socialization, political participation, or you can say modernization. Even now another word is used, political culture, है ना, जो पावर है, एक पोलिटिकल पावर वर्ड यूज किया जाता है. सो ऑल दीज आर द एरियाज ऑफ स्टडी इन पॉलिटिकल साइंस नाउ. ठीक है. नाउ मॉडर्न थ्योरी इज मोर ऑब्जेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी ज्यादा है इन थ्योरीज में. वाई? बिकॉज दे आर बेस्ड ऑन द साइंटिफिक मॉडल्स. नाउ सिर्फ बातें नहीं है ये, इमेजिनेशंस नहीं है ये, द थिंग्स आर मोर ऑब्जेक्टिव. देर इज ए रिलेशन बिटवीन द रिसर्च एंड द थ्योरी. थ्योरी और प्रैक्टिस में रिलेशन है, दैट इज मेंटेन्ड. सो दैट इज वाई इट हैज बिकम मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. स्टडी ऑफ पोलिटिकल थ्योरी जो है, दैट हैज बिकम मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. वाई? बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स टू अंडरस्टैंड द पोलिटिकल रियलिटी. इट ब्रिंग्स यू क्लोजर टू द रियलिटी. इट सिंप्लीफाइज योर नॉलेज. जो हम सिर्फ एक डर्टी गेम और पॉलिटिक्स और पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स की बात करते हैं, दैट इज नॉट द टाइम नाउ. हियर वी वाई पोलिटिकल थ्योरी इज इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज द यूज ऑफ प्रॉपर मीन्स इज बीइंग टॉट हियर, एंड दैट टू फुलफिल योर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. It encourages people to use the adequate means. They have to fulfill their objectives and their needs. So political theory is not only the means, it has become an end also. Political theory is it brings the balance, all the events, all the मतलब जो human values हैं, the sequence of that is also being studied. So here are certain points of utility and significance. Just see, it's useful to life in many ways. Knowledge जो है about your rights and duties, it provides you. It liberalizes your outlook. Liberty and equality are not just abstract principles. Now, so another is politics is essentially the art of possible life. And it is based on the reasoning also. Reasoning क्या है? Reasoning powers of your mind. So this has become a very it has got very you can say importance nowadays. So every individual जो है somehow जुड़ा हुआ है इस चीज़ के साथ. So this was all about your chapter. It was nothing there. You must know the meaning. You must know the meaning of political theory. You must understand whether it is a science or an art. ठीक है. You must understand what is the scope of political science. You must understand what is the modern view of political science, है ना. you must know what is the significance, what is the importance of political theory. So all these things are there. Basic, see, if we talk about the summary, what is politics, what is the meaning and the scope, and what is the relationship between theory and practice, मतलब science है कि art है, and then what is the importance. So this is a very small chapter, beta. Just go through the concepts. Certain things are new for you. Prepare well. Okay, thank you.